All right, students, welcome back. So I believe you guys are more keen to have a GK question round more than the mock interview. So what we'll do is we can have mock interview questions as well as the GK questions, right? So I'll pick two names. So those two students get to ask each other question, right? So I hope that is a good idea. हाँ जी बच्चे, so I hope you like this idea. So everybody is
Yes, ma'am.
on board. So I'll just drop a message in your group. Hanji, so now we are ready to go. So now see the two students I'll pick. So you have to go ahead and be supportive of this activity, right? So first I'll pick Abhishek, roll number 164. Hanji Abhishek, I'm audible and I hope you are ready. Hanji Abhishek, am I audible? Yes, Abhishek, roll number 164. Yes, Abhishek, are you in the class? All right, so Abhishek 162. Hanji, Abhishek, roll number 162. Am I audible? See, now this is a good activity that you suggested. I'll get to know at least how many of you are actually here in the class, right? So others, 165.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful. So you are here. And how about Dipanshu? Yes, Dipanshu, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful. So Adarsh and Dipanshu, take your time and think of a question that you can ask each other. So Adarsh and Dipanshu, I hope you are taking your time, think of a question, right? And then you two can ask each other. So in the meantime, I look for another two students. So Ajayjeet. Hanji Ajayjeet.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And we have Gurjot.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Ajayjeet and Gurjot, think of a question which you will be asking each other. So it could be a GK question and it also could be, one question for the interview, like a common question you might get asked in the interview, right? So Gurjot and Ajayjeet, take your time, right? So I'll pick one more students
Okay.
and another pair of students, and then we'll go back to Adarsh and Dipanshu. So we have Amandeep. Okay, Vijay, that's a good question. Why don't you? Okay, so Vijay and Amandeep. See, for me to ask GK questions, I will have to have a list of the questions ready with me, right? So, abhi मैं on the spot, I'll be able to think of only few. I like to be prepared, right? So, why don't we do this in the next class? बेटा मैं रैंडमली पूछूंगी, वो आपको अगर नहीं पता होगा या आपको लगेगा टू आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है, फिर टेल मी। हाँ जी, so you are quite keen to have the GK round. I'm actually very happy to know your enthusiasm about GK, right? So okay, Amandeep, so may I ask you a question? हाँ जी Amandeep, so I just thought of one. So okay, you can tell me who is the Iron Man of India? Who is called the Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
So that was good, very good. All right. So I think that will be a very easy question. So, and okay, so tell me, why is he called so?
Ma'am, because when India is not independent, there are only 52, 552 territories, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also give a huge. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also give the whole respect to all the 552 territories and also join them to make a great India or incredible India.
हाँ जी विजय, आप क्या कह रहे हो? सॉरी अमनदीप, आई एम लाइक इंटरप्टिंग यू. So no, Amandeep, you say why is he called so? Could you just?
Ma'am, because मैम जब इंडिया में अभी मतलब इंडिया पाकिस्तान अलग अलग नहीं हुआ था, जब इंडिया फॉर्म नहीं हुआ था.
हाँ जी.
मैं उस टाइम में 552 रियासतें
Okay,
थी,
okay,
टेरिटरीज.
yes, yes. So basically, why is he called that? Because you are right about it, that he helped consolidate India. So all the princely states,
यस मैम.
right? So at times he had to use his diplomatic skills. At times he used his force, right? So
मैं
with
सरदार
an
वल्लभ भाई
हाँ जी,
पटेल
हाँ
ने
जी,
साम दाम दंड भेद लगा के
बिल्कुल
सारी टेरिटरीज
बिल्कुल,
को इकट्ठा करके
yes, yes.
इनकैडल भारत बनाया.
Right. So if you have read about, you know, what happened in Hyderabad or Junagadh, right? If you want to delve deeper into the topic, so काफी अच्छा इस पे एक इस पे ना, this reminds me, इस पे एक YouTube पे बहुत अच्छी सीरीज भी है. So it is anchored by that person. What is his name?
मैम विवेक बिंद्रा.
No, no. Mera Bharat, no. What is the name of the series? It's a wonderful series. It is about this topic only, that how he, you know, managed to. Pankaj Kapoor, no, it was somebody else, anchored by somebody else. Let me just give me a moment. I'll come up with the name. Oh, the name is Pradhan Mantri. Right? ये ना ABP न्यूज की बनाई हुई है. So if you are interested in this topic to read more about this, this is a wonderfully made series. There are around, I believe, कम ही episodes, ज़्यादा नहीं है. So you can watch it. Shekhar Kapoor, yes. So it is anchored by Shekhar Kapoor, right? So in case anybody is interested to know okay, after independence how India was made into one big state, one big country, right? So you can watch this series, Pradhan Mantri. It is on YouTube and it is made by ABP News, right?
मैम डॉक्टर विवेक बिंद्रा की भी अच्छी है सीरीज.
अच्छा, विवेक बिंद्रा की भी अच्छी है. I haven't seen that yet.
Yes.
So if you want, I can write it for all of you in the chat, the name of the series I just talked about. Actually, इसमें ना, there are very few series which tell you something which are knowledgeable and they're interesting as well. राइट? सो दिस इज वन सच सीरीज के अगर आपका कोई इंटरेस्ट ना भी होगा ना इस टॉपिक में, यू विल वांट टू वॉच इट, क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छे से बताई हुई है, एग्जैक्टली लाइक कोटा फैक्ट्री. सो वेरी वेल मेड वन. सो जैसे इफ यू आर अवेयर लाइक वी हैव द यूपीएससी एग्जाम, तो उसमें यू आर सपोज टू रीड ऑल अबाउट हिस्ट्री, द पॉलिटी, राइट, ज्योग्राफी एंड सो मेनी अदर टॉपिक्स. तो उसमें तो दिस इज रेकमेंडेड टू द एस्पिरेंट्स कि आप ये वाली सीरीज जरूर देखो, क्योंकि व्हेन यू सी इट विजुअली तो आपको फैक्ट्स याद रहते हैं, राइट? ओके, सो बच्चे लेट मी कैच अप ऑन द चैट हियर, काफी आपके मैसेजेस हैं. सो ओके विजय, द फर्स्ट का आंसर. सो विजय, इज योर आंसर रेडी? Why you want to work with us?
Yes, ma'am.
So go ahead and you may answer.
I'm a fresher. Recently, I'm clear my graduation. I don't have any experience. That's why I got a job company to get more knowledge and experience and explore my views and skills. That's why I want to join your job.
Alright, and you can always, इसमें you can tell, you have to be, मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि you have to go overboard with praising the company, but tell your genuine review that yes, I believe that your company can offer a good, let's say, a chance to explore my potential, right? तो आप ऐसे थोड़ा सा बोल सकते हैं that you are for innovative ideas and this is where I want to work. So मतलब एक बैलेंस सा आंसर देना, इतना भी नहीं कि आप टोटली उनको प्रेज कर रहे हो, तो बटरिंग कर रहे हो, राइट? सो विजय, आप अपना जो क्वेश्चन आपने इधर लिखा गया है, आप ये किसको पूछना चाहोगे? सो यू हैव रिटन अ क्वेश्चन हियर. आई एम नॉट रीडिंग इट आउट फॉर नाउ, राइट? सो दैट वुड स्पॉइल द पर्पस. So Vishal Kumar has also answered for gaining new experience, learning new skills. So this is my foremost opportunity, right, to move ahead in my professional life or career. हाँ जी. So okay, विजय यादव, विजय, हाँ जी, आपका क्वेश्चन आप किससे पूछना चाहोगे बच्चे?
Sorry, ma'am, network issue था.
अच्छा,
मैम
नो,
दोबारा रिपीट करते.
मैं वही पूछ रही थी, आपने अच्छा इधर क्वेश्चन डाला हुआ है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So आप किसको पूछना चाहोगे ये क्वेश्चन?
Ma'am, anyone?
Anybody? Okay. So okay, then let me randomly ask. Okay, Vishakha in the class. हाँ जी विशाखा, am I audible? All right, तमन्ना, तमन्ना का तो हो गया था. सुरभि, सुरभि, am I audible? हाँ जी बच्चे, सुरभि. Vishakha, will you be able to answer it otherwise? Or will you be writing it? Okay, so the question is, which is the most beautiful alphabet for you? So now it is up to you how you want to answer it. Take your time, right? So I need, okay, so for you, V is most beautiful as your name starts from it. All right, that's a valid answer. Definitely the alphabet that our name starts with, that is, dear to us, right? Okay. So Gurjot and Ajajit. Hanji, Gurjot's question is ready. What about you, Ajajit?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
All right. So Gurjot, you may ask your question.
What is the surface temperature of sun?
So Ajajit, it's all right in case the question answer doesn't strike you.
Ma'am, 3500 degrees Celsius.
So Gurjot, you will have to tell whether it is
Yes, ma'am.
correct
This
or
is
not. correct? All
Yes.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now, Aditya, your turn to question.
When the C language is developed.
In near about 1972 or 1973.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
All right, that is good. So, okay, what about the next? Hanji, Adarsh and Dipanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
आपके क्वेश्चंस रेडी हो गए बच्चे? दीपांशु?
Yes, ma'am. Ready है.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. चलो, who wants to ask first?
Ma'am, I am asking.
चलो, go ahead.
So, Dipanshu, what are your strengths and how they are useful for our company?
I concentrate one work at a time, and this will lead to less time consumption to do work and also less faults in my work.
Okay.
All right, you may ask your question. Hanji Dipanshu, so your question for Adarsh would be?
What do you consider to be your weakness?
I do work with very patience. That's why uh, that's why I take time to complete the work. This is the thing which I considered as my weakness.
All right.
Okay.
So I like that the fact that you ended up asking the complementary questions, strengths and weaknesses, right? So just my suggestion would be that, when you're talking about strength, you can always mention two, three, or even four of them, right? So that is always good to just slightly elaborate more rather than giving one answer only, right? So you can say that I work well under pressure, or you say I always complete my work before deadline. I give attention to detail. देखो ये होते हैं, you will agree with me that these are very generic ones. However, the employers are looking for these qualities only. अब जो desirable qualities हैं वो तो same ही रहेंगे, तो आपने ये नहीं सोचना कि ये तो इतना original answer नहीं हुआ, right? कि ये तो strength हर एक पास ही होगी, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. You can always still say the same, and then of course once you start working with them you have to prove it, right? ठीक है जी. And yes, like you talked about the weakness, हाँ जी, तो उसमें बच्चे you can say that at times I pay attention to the details way more than it is required, right? So I want to be thorough with my work. However, I am unable to finish it, let's say, quickly, or it ends up taking more time than I had planned to. ठीक है, तो आप ऐसे बता सकते हो, मतलब उसको भी थोड़ा मतलब अच्छे वे में प्रेजेंट कर दो, तो हो सकता है कि दे आर लुकिंग फॉर समबडी हु पेज अटेंशन टू डिटेल, राइट? तो वो ऐसे नहीं है कि इट विल वर्क अगेंस्ट यू. ठीक है जी.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so wonderful, I like that. So next, Surbhi and Suman. हाँ जी, Surbhi and Suman, I hope both of you are in the class and able to hear me. हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, Surbhi, Suman. Yes, बच्चे, Surbhi, Suman. What about Simran? Okay, so Suman is in the class. Suman, Why don't you better speak out? So Simran is in the class. Hanji Simran.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful. So Satyam is in the class as well. Yes, Satyam. Yes, Satyam, am I audible? What about Sarthak? Hanji, Sarthak, am I audible? What about Rushant? Yes, Rushant, are you in the class? Hanji beta, what about Rishav?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Rishav and Simran, you two will be asking questions. ठीक है जी? So think of a question which you might ask each other, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Hello, ma'am.
So हाँ जी, अभी ये रुशांत की आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Suman and Rushant, just think of questions you can ask each other. ठीक है सुमन? All right, Suman. And try if you can speak out right rather than putting it in the chat. Because beta देखो lab classes for you to speak. We are here to interact with each other. कोई हमने इसमें written work नहीं करना. ठीक है? So I would just my suggestion that try to at least for this class try to have a quiet place to yourself so that background noise का issue ना आए. ठीक है? I know at times घर पे it is not possible but just try. अगर family में जैसे होता है तो उनको request कर दो कि सिर्फ ये वाली class के लिए थोड़ा सा पीछे हो मतलब just they should take care not be too noisy, right? All right, so we still have time to go, so I'll pick one more pair of students. So abhi Rishav and Simran are preparing and Rushant and Suman are preparing. ठीक है जी? So who else is in the list? हाँ जी, Rajneesh. Yes, Rajneesh. Rajneesh, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, and Simarpreet, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So Rajneesh and Simarpreet, think of questions which you could ask each other. Right, so it is up to you whether you want to ask something related to aptitude or something with interview, right? Or maybe you want to ask something about GK. So students, let me know when your questions are ready. All right. Okay, Harsimran, so I understand your predicament, right? That online classes are considered good, but not the online exams. See, in these times, I think this is not within our hands, right? So you just have to go with the flow and be flexible about what is happening since the situation is changing. So we don't know whether the exams will be online or offline, right? Whether the classes will be online or offline. And I understand that the online classes have certain limitations, which, you know, for especially for the subjects which need a lot of understanding, right? So don't worry about it. You can just make sure that you know everything and you feel confident enough to appear for the exams offline as well. In case anything is not clear, contact your teachers, right? Don't hesitate at all. नहीं तमन्ना कोई डेक्लेरेशन नहीं है, जस्ट वो जनरल सी बात हो रही है, तो इसीलिए जस्ट हर सिमरन पुट दिस मैसेज हियर. डोंट वरी, कुछ नहीं आया. Nothing about, no instructions have been passed yet about your exams. All right, don't get anxious. Okay, so Vishal, your question is interesting. However, let me see who would like to answer. So Amandeep seems to be quite interested in GK. So I think it will be a good idea to ask Amandeep, isn't it? Okay, so Amandeep, the question is, which state is known as Crown of India?
Kolkata, ma'am.
Which state?
Kolkata, sorry. Kolkata.
नहीं बेटा, कोलकाता कैसे होएगा स्टेट?
Sorry.
So Vishal, I think you can tell us the answer.
Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir is known as Crown of India.
Very good. And I think few students, Vishakha and Manav, right? And one more student, Adarsh, answered correctly. Right? Yes. It's on the top. I thought it is this. It would be the same. ठीक है जी. So okay, Vishakha, that's okay about the network issues. So अभी पहले Rishabh's question is ready and Rishabh is supposed to question Simran. Simran, is your question ready? हाँ जी Simran. So Vishal Kumar, yes, we will save your question as well. हाँ जी Simran, question is ready? Yes Simran. Okay, what about Rushant and Suman?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, your question is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Simran needs a minute. All right. What about Suman? हाँ जी Suman.
Yes, ma'am.
So your question is also beta ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo beta. So anybody can ask first, either you or Rushant. चलो बेटा आप पूछ लो पहले, then you can answer his question.
मैम पहले मैं पूछा?
हाँ जी पूछ लो.
ठीक है मैम. Which country started recycling first?
Okay, so like the first country to start recycling, would you say मतलब the waste or what? मतलब क्या चीज recycle करनी?
Ma'am, recycling.
अच्छा, recycling on the whole. All
हाँ जी.
right. So Rushant, would you happen to know the answer? Better don't Google it.
No, ma'am.
चलो
No, ma'am, नहीं पता.
नहीं पता. चलो बता दो सुमन, फिर क्या आंसर है इसका?
Ma'am, Gary Anderson.
कौन सी बेटा? आप चैट में लिख दोगे, मेरे को आपका पता नहीं चला आंसर। हाँ जी सुमन। Suman, I hope you can hear me. हाँ जी बेटा, चैट में आंसर लिख दो। No, which company or which country? What was the question? है ना, country पूछा था ना आपने? Sweden. Okay. So Sweden was the first to start recycling. All right. ठीक है जी. So Rushant, what would be your question for Suman?
Yes. Suman, my question is, what is the length of Great Wall of China?
Okay, the length of Great Wall of China.
Ma'am, 21,196 kilometer.
So is that the correct answer, Rushant?
Yes, ma'am. Answer is
How
correct.
come you can answer it to the point correctly? खुद प्लानिंग तो नहीं कर रहे आपस में कि ये क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं, ये वाला आंसर दे देंगे? I hope not. But I'm surprised
No,
to
ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
So
No, ma'am.
tell me, Suman, where did you read this? I am really intrigued now.
Ma'am, थोड़ा टाइम पहले ही पढ़िया सीगा.
Okay, and बिल्कुल exact पढ़िया सीगा तो इतना ही याद सीगा पूरा?
Ma'am, हाँ जी.
That is wonderful. I like that. All right. So I hope Simran, your question is ready. Yes, Vishal, I agree with you. Very sharp memory. हाँ जी Simran, your question is ready, beta. I hope it is. Yes, Simran and Rishabh. Okay, ठीक है Simran, that is fine with you. Rishabh, हाँ जी. So Rishabh, I will be reading the question since Simran has like mentioned it in the chat box. There is background noise. So what motivates you to get up every morning? हाँ जी ऋषभ.
Ma'am, morning environment motivates me
All right. So.
for doing well.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, it's very peaceful, and when we walk in morning, then we feel very good all the day, and I also feel very good all day. Every work perfectly. My college work, and also my some I think morning environment give me the power to do the work perfectly.
All right. So I would say that you like the weather in the morning, right? It is very pleasant. It's very peaceful.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So the complete atmosphere is quite pleasing. So you are a morning person, I would say. Because somebody like we have people who are morning person, and then we have people who are not, right? So people who enjoy all this, the calm, the quiet, so they are able to, wake up early, no matter what. But on the other hand, people who do not enjoy as much, they would prefer to, catch up on their sleep. All right, Rishabh. So Rishabh, what would be your question for Simran?
My question in chat box.
Chat box में डाल दिया आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा मेरे को आया नहीं. Can you like put it again? शायद वो ऊपर चला रह गया हो कहीं पे. Okay. So Suman, the question is, what are your salary expectations from our company and why? अब आप सिमरन इसमें ना खुद कुछ भी इमेजिन करके बोल सकते हो, ठीक है? सिर्फ I want to know how you are answering it. So imagine anything, maybe you are a beginner, maybe you have experience, right? तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग कुछ भी आप बोल दो. मतलब I am not going by the figure you will quote, I'll just go by how you are answering it. Right, Simran? So if you could, we are left with 2 minutes. So if it is possible, okay, just give me one single sentence. That would also do, a sentence or two. And the rest of the students, I am going to continue this. At least I want each one of you to get a chance to, both question and answer one of your classmates, right? And yes, since you are fond of GK, so I'll come up with a list of good GK questions. All right, so your salary expectation is according to your skills and the way you do your work in a company. So आप अच्छा चलो ये भी अच्छा है कि आप वो कर सकते हो rather than quoting a particular figure, right? So Rajneesh has sent his question. Rajneesh was supposed to question, I believe, Simarpreet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, beta. I hope you guys don't mind if we continue from Simarpreet and Rajneesh in the next session, because अभी ना 1 minute रह गया. I don't want के बीच में cut off हो जाए. So Simar and Rajneesh, I hope you are okay with this idea.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Gurjot and Amandeep will continue in the next session, right? So that was an interesting class we had today. I hope you all found it interesting as well. And I would prefer that, you keep giving such ideas in the future as well, right? Just to break the monotony, one odd time we can have such sessions as well. So abhi beta, I'm ending the class. See you next time. Take care. All right. Thank you, Vishal. I really like that compliment.